Welcome to your gardening masterclass. In this video, we'll go through a month-by-month guide for 2025 to help you grow a fantastic garden all year round. Whether you're new to gardening or you've been doing it for years, this guide will keep you on track with helpful reminders and tips. From the beginning of spring to the quiet of winter, we'll cover the important jobs that will make your garden lively and full. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's start this gardening adventure together. January. The garden is sleeping under the frosty ground, but it's not doing nothing. This is the perfect time to look through seed catalogs and make plans for the year. Think about your garden space, how much sun it gets, and what you really like to grow. Maybe you'll try a new kind of tomato, or finally plant that herb garden you've always wanted. Order your seeds early so they don't run out, and while you're at it, check your soil. Adding compost or old, broken-down manure now will make your soil richer and give your future plants the best start. February. The days are getting longer, and the sun feels a little warmer. It's time to wake up those sleeping seeds inside. Cool weather plants like lettuce, broccoli, and herbs are ready to get an early start. Plant them in seed trays with light, well-draining compost, making sure each seed has enough room to grow its tiny leaves. Put them on a sunny windowsill or use a grow light. March. The garden is waking up, the ground is thawing, and it's ready for new plants. Clean up any old leaves or branches, turn the soil, and add lots of organic matter. Plant tough seeds like peas, carrots, and radishes directly into the ground. They're ready for the cool earth. Now is a good time to trim your fruit trees and bushes, shaping them for a big harvest later. April. The garden explodes with color and smells. This is the month to plant those little seedlings outside, giving them room to grow in the fresh air. Tomatoes, peppers, and other plants that like warmth can join the party, enjoying the stronger sunshine. Put a good layer of organic matter around your plants to stop weeds and help the soil hold water. May. The garden is buzzing with life, full of green leaves, colorful flowers, and the wonderful smells of herbs. Now is the time to plant delicate plants like zucchini, beans, and squash. Give climbing plants like cucumbers and beans something to climb on so they can reach the sun. Water them regularly, especially when it's dry, and watch out for bugs. June. The garden is overflowing with the results of your hard work. Salads are full of fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes are ripening, and the sweet smell of strawberries is in the air. Keep weeding, water deeply, and give your plants some liquid fertilizer or compost tea. Picking your ripe fruits and vegetables regularly helps them grow more, so don't be shy. July. The garden is enjoying the summer sun. Keep harvesting all the good things from your garden. Water deeply and often, especially when it's dry, and give delicate plants some shade during the hottest part of the day. Plant some fast-growing crops like lettuce, spinach, and radishes for a late summer harvest. August. As the days start getting shorter, the garden's colors change. Summer is still producing, but it's time to start thinking about fall planting. Plant seeds for cool weather crops like kale, spinach, and winter lettuce, giving them enough time to grow before the first frost. Clean up any dead plants and add them to your compost pile. September. The garden relaxes as the summer heat fades into the cool air of autumn. Keep harvesting your fall crops and enjoy the taste of kale, spinach, and other cool weather vegetables. Plant garlic and onions for a tasty harvest next spring. Clean up any leftover debris and add a thick layer of mulch to protect the soil from the winter cold. October. The garden sleeps under a blanket of fallen leaves. The air smells like damp earth and wood smoke. Plant spring flowering bulbs like tulips. Plant spring flowering bulbs like daffodils. Plant spring flowering bulbs like hyacinths. Keep cleaning up fallen leaves, adding them to your compost or using them to protect delicate plants. As the days get shorter and the nights colder, the garden settles down for a peaceful sleep, dreaming of spring. November. The garden is quiet with bare branches reaching up to the gray sky. While the outside garden rests, you can still enjoy your hard work by growing bulbs indoors. Pots of fragrant hyacinths or pretty paper white narcissus will bring a touch of spring to your home during the dark winter months. Look back at your gardening notes, remembering what went well and what didn't, and start making plans for next year's garden. December. The shortest day has passed and there's a little bit of hope on the horizon. The garden may be sleeping, but it's getting ready for new life. Take this time to look at seed catalogs and make plans for the next year. Order seeds, clean your tools, and look forward to spring. Thank you for joining me on this month-by-month gardening journey for 2025. I hope these tips will help you make a garden that makes you happy all year. With regular care and a little patience, you can create a garden that is both beautiful and rewarding. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. See you in the next video.